In today's society, social media continues to be one of the most significant forms of mass communication and interaction among millions of users since its existence. The phenomena of social media has captured the attention of people not only in the United States of America, but people from all across the globe who also have access to the internet. It allows for us to connect with other individuals on a wider scale that we otherwise would not have access to without this form of social interface. But due to how extensive social media is, how can we actually define it? According to the PR professional and social media expert Brian Solis, social media is a shift in how people discover, read, and share news and information and content. It's a fusion of sociology and technology, transferring monologue, one to many, into dialogue, many to many. Social media moves the conversation from backstage to onstage and allows for as many people as possible to get involved. Some of the most user-generated social media websites today include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These websites allow for users to share personal content with everyone on their timeline or newsfeed. What many of us do not realize is that these social media websites turn our private information into public information with just a click of a button. Once the content has been shared online, whether it be a status update or a tagged photo from a friend, anyone on the internet now has access to it. In the case of social media and privacy, these two concepts are not compatible. You cannot be present on social media and expect to be completely private. As mentioned in the text, this living publicly generally does not seem to bother Generation Yers in the same way, yet many are really awakened to a sense of having their privacy invaded when they learn that an employer is raising questions about material found on a blog or information gleaned from a social networking site. Social media websites are one of the first places employers look when they are researching potential employees. What we post online can have an effect on our future, but there are many ways we can ensure that our personal information posted on our profiles can only be seen by those we grant access to through our privacy settings. As soon as you sign up for a social networking site such as Facebook, you have the ability to make your profile private or public. If you decide to make your profile private, only your friends or followers have access to your personal information, which protects you from any privacy-related issues. So the question remains, is privacy a value that has become obsolete due to social media, or is it a basic human right that must be protected? In my opinion, as soon as we sign into our private accounts, we are making our lives public, and we know what we are getting ourselves into once we create an account. As a result, privacy has become an obsolete value. There may be certain ways to privately control our accounts, but anything on the internet is fair game once you click share. We will always have the basic right to privacy and protection, but we must be cautious about what we post on the public sphere, known as the internet.